Do you want to upload a photo in DeepSeek? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Go ahead and open a DeepSeek message or conversation. Now tap on this plus icon. Here, I'm selecting here image OCR because I want to upload the image from my gallery. And now, from your gallery, go ahead and select the image. For example, I want to upload this image because I want to know information about this image. So I'm selecting the image, tapping on add. And once the image uploaded, I'm just tapping on send. And now, here we can see DeepSeek is providing all information about the image I uploaded here. So that's how you can actually upload image to DeepSeek. Thank you.